My beautiful people, stay tuned for the whole video to see how I go from this, okay, to boom. Yes, you like? All right, guys. So first, okay, you need to prep the hair before you even put the wig on. We need to prep the wig. See how it looks like? You need to style it, okay? All right? After you style the wig, listen, y'all. Get yourself a wig cap. You gotta put the wig cap on. Oh, look at the wig in the background. Apply the wig cap. Do not put your wig on without having a wig cap. Okay, this process was kind of difficult for me to do while filming. Okay, but you know, I love you guys, so I tried my best. Okay, I really need to try to find a way to set these cameras up. But yes, y'all, this is me prepping the hair, I mean the wig cap, making sure that it's nice and secure, because that's what's going to make my lace, okay, look real. All right, the wig lace, that's what's going to make it look real. Okay, so my sisters out there, you know, see, it doesn't have to be perfect. Look at this. It has holes in the back. No one's going to notice. Okay, no one's going to notice. All right, now look, okay, this is the wig on, without being glued yet. Okay, see, this is the wig on. Yep, you see, you all are seeing everything. I'm showing you guys everything. See, this is the wig on without gluing it. Before I glue it, you see, the hair is already styled. I wanted to go for that side part. Okay, but just wait. Okay, I'm gonna glue it down. All right, boom. All right, so this is the wig. This is how I glued it down. Look at the scalp. Okay, the scalp looks real because of the cap. Okay, because of the cap. And look at the sides, y'all. Yes, you gotta glue it well. You gotta do a good job. You gotta make sure, the trick is to make sure that the front has very little amount of hair. Okay, have the front, like, pluck out the hairs from the front so that it doesn't look too bulky. Okay, make the front look as real as possible. With my wig cap, look at the color blends in with my own skin. Okay, so here I am just kind of doing a little touch up, you know, blow drying it, just kind of making sure that everything is set in place. Okay, my beautiful people, take your time with this process. This process is very important to making sure that the wig is secure. Okay, to make sure that it's, you know, done the right way that you want it to be done. Okay, all right. Okay, so now after everything is good, I applying my makeup. You know, I'm going to apply my makeup. Look at this face. Okay, this face needs to be done because she's about to go out. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom! Ooh, look at this beauty. Yes, this Haitian beauty. What y'all think about my makeup, y'all? You see the lip, the eye. Look at the hair, though. Look at the hair. You see, rewind the video, rewind it to see how the wig looked before it was installed on my head. You see, the wig has to be part of you. All right? This is a short wig. I wanted to go with a shorter, sexy look. Okay, you don't have to have long hair down to your back for you to look sexy and beautiful, okay? All right, my beautiful people, look at her. She is out, y'all. She's out. Enjoy life. We got one life to live. Remember, you are the priority. Keep your peace, your beauty, your feminine energy. Okay. Follow me, subscribe, comment. Love you.